Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. In today's video, I take you along with me to Marshall's. I was looking for some organization bins for my fridge because I also will be deep cleaning my fridge and microwave in today's video. They were both very dirty and needed some deep cleaning. I'll admit it's a little embarrassing at how dirty I let them get, but it's real life and real life is a little messy at times. I'm also going to share a quick dinner meal and a mini grocery haul. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So I did actually forget to show you what I picked up at Marshall's, but I did pick up a couple of these bins you see here. And I already have a few, but I thought I'd pick up some more to help in organizing my fridge. And then I also picked up these microfiber cloths that I have in my hand to also use to clean out my fridge. I was also looking for some organization bins that you can store your eggs in. Instead of storing them in the carton in the refrigerator, but they didn't have them this time, so I will check back again later. I was also a little disappointed that I didn't pick up these reusable storage bags while I was there. I could probably use these for my lunches that I take to work instead of wasting Ziploc bags, but I definitely will be picking some up next time I go. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day and I just wanted to share with you what I picked up. I did like a mini grocery haul at Publix, and so since I'm going to be cleaning out the fridge and adding the new food, I just want to show you really quick what I picked up. I picked up a pack of Top Ramen. We don't always eat this, but occasionally my children like to eat this. And I picked up some more yellow mustard, some Chick-fil-A sauce. We got some of their yogurts. I believe they're like 10 for 4 or something. My kids actually already dug into some of this, but we picked up a few of those, and then I picked up some almond breeze. My daughter drinks this. She is lactose intolerant, so I picked up some more of that, and also some cream cheese for her. She really loves this stuff. She says it's really good, it's creamy, and lactose free. So picked up some more of that, and it's actually a really great price there at Publix. It's, I believe, $3.19. The only other place we could find this was at Whole Foods, which it was more expensive, much more expensive. I believe it was like $5.99 maybe. I picked up some red grapes for lunch for my work. I'm going to be making snacky type lunch with some grapes and some of these bruschetta toasts, and they're really good. They're not too crunchy and hard, but they're like have a good crunch to them, but they're also a little soft. And then I will be adding some blueberries and some baby carrots that I have, and I think that's it, maybe a couple other things. But anyway, I picked up a few persimmons. I actually just had one. These actually are believe they're called a Hachia persimmon. I can't pronounce the name. I normally get the other persimmons that are smaller, but they feel right. But when I had it, it was actually pretty chalky. It was really chalky. It actually ruined the taste for me. So I will be waiting quite a while to eat these. Occasionally, I let my children eat hot dogs. I know they're not the healthiest, but they ask for them sometimes. And got some blueberries, bunches of bananas, more lemons. I like to buy these at Costco. It's a bigger bag and it's a little cheaper, but I need lemons for my salad dressing. And then I picked up some of these shortbread crackers. I'm excited to give these a try, and these look pretty good. Never tried them before. And I picked up some of these rosemary breadsticks as well. They're $1 something for this, and I think they're actually imported from Italy, I believe. Purchased just a loaf of bread. We actually have some still, but I feel like you can never have too much bread. We usually stick it in the freezer or the fridge so it'll last a lot longer. Picked this up, the glazed lemon cream cake, for our family to have for dessert after dinner, and then also for for breakfast tomorrow morning. That's pretty much it. And now I will be cleaning out my fridge and putting this stuff away. So this recipe is super fast and super easy. You're just gonna need some chili beans. You can use canned chili beans. I am using some homemade chili beans that I cooked in the crock pot the previous night. I used about maybe 4 quarts. And then 1 bag of Trader Joe's frozen tater tots. I used 1 can of Campbell's soup mix, the cheddar cheese Campbell's soup. And then you can use any cheese you like, but I used sharp cheddar that I shredded myself. You're just gonna mix all of that up in the baking pan, and then I top that with the shredded cheese, and then also some fresh jalapeno slices and some fresh green onion slices. You can wait until it comes out of the oven to top it with the fresh vegetables, but I prefer for them to be lightly roasted on top. And then also you're going to, if you'd like, add extra toppings after you take it out of the oven. You can add extra toppings like sour cream, olives, or even more onion if you'd like. And then you're just gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees. I don't preheat the oven, so I set it for the timer for about 25 minutes. But if you preheat the oven, you'll probably want to set it for about 20 minutes. So now I'm just going to show you my fridge and what it looks like before. It's pretty messy. I have a lot of things that I need to throw out and go through. There's also lots of just crumbs on the shelves of the fridge and a few things that are expired, and it's just really dirty and disgusting and needs to be cleaned. Here I'm just going to take everything out of the fridge and then place it on the counters and go through it. I need to throw away a lot of things that have gone bad, expired, or less than half full containers. So right now I'm just emptying everything out of the fridge. Now I'm just rinsing out some of the containers that I pulled out of the fridge, and then I'm also going to clean some of the dishes that were filled in the sink so that way I can wash and rinse the refrigerator, shelves, and containers in the sink. So now it's time to start cleaning the fridge, but before I begin, I'm just gonna vacuum. I'm using my vacuum here to vacuum up the crumbs that were on the shelves and all over the fridge, and then I'm going to remove the shelves and wash those in the sink. So just a tip, if you wash your refrigerator shelves in the sink, you don't want to use hot water. I've learned this lesson the hard way. I've washed my shelves in the sink using hot water, and the temperature change from being in the refrigerator, being cold, to the hot water actually cracked the glass and broke it. So you just want to be careful. But let me know in the comments, do you wash your shelves in the sink, or do you just wipe them down and clean them in the fridge? So here is the final result, and I love to have a nice clean refrigerator to put all of my groceries in, or to be able to put my food back in. There are no crumbs, it's nice and clean, and it just feels so good. Definitely love using some of these smaller storage containers for storing cheese and yogurt and smaller items. It makes it so easy and convenient to store them. Now I'm just organizing the bottom drawer of my refrigerator. One side I'm putting all of my meats, like lunch meats and hot dogs. And then on the other side I'm placing all of our cheeses, sliced cheese and block cheese and other things like that. After cleaning the fridge, it looks practically empty, which is why I did a grocery haul, a mini grocery haul, because we were running pretty low on groceries. But within a few days, I will need to do more grocery shopping. So now it's time to clean the microwave, and like I said, it's really dirty and really disgusting, so it definitely needs to be cleaned. But here I'm just spraying some of my Method degreaser. I love this spray. It really helps with the grease and the kicked on food to kind of loosen it, and so it cleans much easier with it. And so yeah, I'm just using a scouring pad to lightly scrub the surface of the microwave. I'm not pressing too hard, but I'm just kind of lightly scrubbing it, and then I will go over it with a rag. In case you were wondering, I did film this video on 2 separate days, which is why I changed outfits. On the first day, I did clean the microwave and cook dinner, and then on the next day, I cleaned out the fridge and did the mini grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.